Assalamu alaikum. Today is Tuesday. So our today's online class subject is mathematics, and our today's topic is number work, the expanded form of number. So let's begin. Number work, the expanded form of a numbers. Expanded की उर्दू की मानी होती हैं तौसी सूरत. उसको नंबर्स को अपनी मकामी कीमत के साथ में लिखना. So let's begin. We have learned to write the expanded form of a 3-digit numbers in standard third. जैसा कि हम पिछली क्लास में 3 डिजिट नंबर्स की एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म तौसी सूरत देख चुके हैं. So today we are going to learn how to write expanded form of a 4 or 5 digit number in the same way. तो उसी तरह आज जो है हम लोग 4 और 5 डिजिट नंबर्स को तौसीई सूरत करना देखेंगे, सीखेंगे. So for example, here is a number and the number is 5324. Now we are going to expand this number. 5324 means there is 5300, 2 tens and 4 units. Now the expanded form of 5324 is 5000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 4 is equal to 5324. Now this is the expanded form of 5324. Now we are going to learn expanded form of the 5-digit number, and number is 23,475. Number is 23,475. 23,475 means 20,000, 3,000, 400, 7, 10 and 5 unit. Here is T and TH means 10,000, TH means 1000, H means 100, T means 10 and U means unit. So this is 20,000, 3,000 plus 3,000 plus 400 plus 70 plus 5. It means 23,475 is equal to, in expanded form, 20,000 plus 3,000 plus 400 plus 70 and plus 5 is equal to 23,475. Now you understand. Now this is for your homework. There is question: write the following numbers in the expanded form, and the numbers are, there is 10 numbers. So this is your homework. You do in your notebook expanded form and take a picture and share in our WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.